So today I want to show you how to translate your GoHighLevel 6 page or landing page to any language of your choice. And this will use a Google Translator. So as you can see on this landing page now, I have this little globe icon. So if I click on it and I change this language to maybe this one, so it automatically translates my website or funnel to Arabic, and I can change it to any language that I select here. So you can see it translates my language immediately. So I want to show you how to translate this, how to add this icon to your landing page or funnel on GoHighLevel. So follow me. Now, first thing you need to do is go to this website. I will link this website in the description. You can click it on my description. So go to this website and just select anything you want to use here. For instance, widget look, you can select globe or float or anyone, drop down flag. So if you select a flag like this, translate from English to any language. So you can select German, Croatian, Yoruba, Ukrainian, Arabic, Japanese, anyone. And you can remove any other language you don't want. So you have code globe pop up. So let me use globe. Then you update and preview. So I have a globe here. Just copy this code and go to your GoHighLevel page. Go to your GoHighLevel page. So when you're on your GoHighLevel editor, click on tracking code. Then click on footer tracking. Then paste your code here. Your home will be on empty like this, or if you have any code, just press enter and paste it. You paste your code here and save. So after you save here. Then let's preview our save code. Then after you save, you get something like this below. So you get something like this globe. Then click on it. Then to pop up the language. Then you are good to go. So as you can see, if you look up here, we see it work with Google Translate. Check if you see it work with Google Translate. So that is how you can change your GoHighLevel page to any language here. Thank you. I hope this one help you.